Hello everyone. I hope you are all fine. Here with me, I've got this question, which is for grade 9s, which is 2024 external candidates, and we are going to go through together. I hope you are ready. So let's start. So the first question says, find the value of open brackets -2 close plus open -5 close. So how do you answer this question? The way you answer this question, you will say, have you seen this -2? You remove it outside the bracket, so it will be -2. Positive times negative, what do you get? Positive times negative, it's what? Negative, which is what? 5, like this. So the next thing you do, you say, once you observe that you have got the same, they are going from the same direction. What do I mean? This is -2. They were told, go 2 steps to the negative. Again, they are telling you, go 5 steps to the negative. As long as you have got this, they are going from the same direction. Just add the numbers, which is 2 plus 5. It's what? 7. You write 7. Where are the signs going? From the same direction. You maintain the same sign, which is -7. That's all. We come to number 2. Number 2 says factorize completely, which is 6x squared minus 24xy. So always, once you are factorizing, always the small number can go into that big number. And always the letters which are the same, you remove them outside. In other ways, those are the factors which are you have to use as when you factorize. So 6 can go into 24, so it is common. You write it. What else? What can you see here and this side? It's x and x. So you write 6x. What has remained here? It's just 1x. So you say x. So that when you say 6x times x, you get 6x squared minus. How many times can 6 go into 24? It goes 4 times. And what else? What has remained this side? It's y. So before you finish your answering, you say 6x times x, it's 6x squared minus, which is this one. 6x times 4y, you get 24xy. Once you are factorizing, the answer you get should give you back the question the way it is. When you multiply, if it's not giving you back the question, just know that you have made a mistake. So this is where you end. We come to number 3. Number 3 says, find the value of 4 to the power 3 divided by 4. So this is what? Indices. So once you are dealing with indices, you say 4. You know, division goes with what? Subtraction. So you say 4 to the power 3 divided by 4. Here there is one which is invisible here, which is this one. So since the numbers which are at the end, they are the same, which is the divisors. So you just get 1 4 because the denominators, they are the same. You can see there is this one and this one. So you just say 4. And then what are the powers? We have got 3 minus. Division goes with what? Subtraction. Division goes with subtraction. So you say -1. Then I'll just bring it here so that you see properly. So you say 4. What is 3? Remove 1. 3 remove 1, it's what? 2. So what is 4 squared? 4 squared simply means 4 times 4. And what is 4 times 4? It's 16. So this is how you find your value. We come to number 4. Number 4 says solve the equation. 2x plus 4 equals what? 2. Solve the equation. 2x plus 4 equals 2. So when you are solving the equation, you have to be careful with the equal sign. So you say 2x is equal to what? 2. Now this one, it was +4. Once it crosses the equal sign, becomes what? A negative. So it will be 2x is equal to, what is 2? Remove 4. Always, once you are subtracting from a small number, always your answer, it needs to have a negative. So 2 remove 4, it's negative 2. So what do you do? Since you are looking for the value of x, so you divide both by 2, even there by 2. You eliminate this. So what is x? X is equal to 2 into negative 2. It's negative 1. So your answer is negative what? 1. We go to question 5. Question 5 says, evaluate square root 3, 125 minus square root 9. So this 3, it simply tells you to look for a number. When you multiply it 3 times, you should get 125. And that number is what? It's 5. If you multiply 5 3 times, you should get what? 125. Minus. What is the next thing here? What is the square root of 9? Square root simply means that number, if you multiply it 2 times, you should get what? 9. So what is the square root of 9? It's 3. If you multiply 3 2 times, you get what? 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. So what is 5? Remove 3, it's 2. This is your answer there. We come to question 6. Question 6 says negative 5x plus 2x squared minus 8x plus 9x squared. Once you are simplifying, be careful with the signs. So if you check here, you group what? The like term. So it will be negative 5x. You check which other one which has got just x. So you get this one, which is negative 8x. It will come here. And then this one, it will come this side, which is plus 2x what? Squared. Plus what? 9x squared. So what is negative 5x minus 8x? Always bear in mind, if the signs, they are going from the same direction, just add the numbers and maintain the sign. So 5 plus 8 is what? 13. 13x. And be careful with the sign. They are going from the same direction. So it's negative what? 13x plus. What is 2? 2x squared plus 9x squared. It's 11x squared. You end there. We come to the last question. The question says, given that A is equal to 1, B negative 3, C negative 2. And the question says, find B squared minus AC. So you use these variables or numbers to plug in here. So B is what? Negative 3. So you say negative 3 squared minus. What is A? A is 1. What is C? Negative 3. Oh, what is C? What is C? Negative 2. So you open, which is negative 2. So negative 3, open brackets, negative 3, close, squared, minus 1, open, negative 2, close. So here, this is negative 3 squared. Simply means negative times negative, it's what? Positive. So 3 squared simply means 3 times 3, which is what? 9. Negative times negative, it's what? Positive. So what is 1 times 2? It's 2. 9 plus 2, it's what? 11. You end it there. Thank you very much for following. I hope you have enjoyed.